Back to school is here, and there's no better time to get a new PC with all the best components you can find from Intel. When you're choosing a computer, a desktop system doesn't need to break the bank or take up too much space. This build features the Intel Core i5 12600K processor, the Acer Predator Bifrost Intel Arc A770 GPU, and it all fits inside this nifty case that's the size of a lunchbox. Altogether, this PC came in under $1,200. Amazing components are more accessible than ever, and affordable can still mean stylish. Be sure to head over to Newegg before you head back to school for all the latest and greatest components from Intel.